Welcome back to Aside Hot, on top of the senior brother of all the television stations when inside the world, Wazobia Max UHF 57 and Wazobia TV channel 98 on top of Go TV. We then discuss Licky border for inside Obodo, Nigeria, and the fact say the Nigerian customs when they for Lagos, Tinkan Island, say they catch 40-feet container, or even they call it intercept 40-feet container when we say 2 vehicles there inside, and inside the vehicles they conceal plenty weapon them. They don't come and talk, say they catch one suspect and they don't hand over the suspect and the weapon when they see to the DSS. Plenty people will come and talk, say make it not just be for say they don't catch the person. Make them continue from there. Make the person talk about the person when we say sponsor the fact say container go come up from USA, enter inside Obodo, Nigeria when weapon they inside. Make we see say we they stop all these things. And most important of all, our borders when they leak like market women basket, make we ensure say we plug them to see say our country they're very, very safe.
Chukudi, the issue of illegal arms entering into the country, nobody today will start to hear cases like this. Like if you looked like 2 years back, I know say get one case, one particular arms case where we say it stretched for a while.
The Iranians.
Also, yes, exactly, Iranians. Apart from the Iranians, there was also the Russian own, where happened in 2013. Okay, and these are cases where we say at least it's supposed don't say okay, oh, make we really ensure say our borders they're very, very strong. We get Isa. Isa, they call us from Ikeja. Good morning, Isa. Good morning, Isa.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
We did fine.
I mean, I just just wanted to contribute about this order we want to talk about because sometime last year I even experienced one from Owode to the Republic here, where I even see a face to face like this that they used to collect 100 naira with your ID card to cross from Nigerian border to Cotonou, while from the same Cotonou to Nigerian border. It happened on my face like this. But there is nobody to explain to because even the customs, they were there looking at us.
Okay, sir.
Even if,
who be the people when they collect this 100 naira?
They are Cotonou.
Okay, their own security people, and then they collect 100 naira.
Okay, sir.
They are collecting. They even asked me myself, because I want to enter Cotonou to confirm something. They asked 100 naira with my ID card to cross from Nigerian border to Cotonou. It happened for my face.
Okay. Okay, yes. But in this case, what they try to tell them say, no be our own security personnel they collect this money.
No, now as if now 100 naira, now security people.
But it's from here. Okay.
Nigerian personnel, even Cotonou military, because I was there, it happened for my face. It happened for my face. Collect 100 naira from our hand with our ID card to cross from Nigerian border to Cotonou.
Okay, so thank you very much, Ogaisa, for that. For that, this way you don't also raise. You don't at least you don't also confirm to the fact. Say yes. Say our borders. Say apart from the fact that we even get security people there. Somehow the security people still they vulnerable on their own. Then they give free room for people to enter anyhow. We get Divine. Divine, they call us from Ikorodu. Good morning, Divine.
Chukudi, good morning.
Good morning, Divine. I better reduce the volume of your television.
Chukudi, good morning.
Reduce the volume of your television.
Okay, good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Okay, good morning. How are you?
We're fine.
This issue of
border.
The Malu.
Okay.
They are really creating wahala for especially village people.
Okay.
They will destroy your farm. At the same time, they will even kill the people that have the farm. Our president should help us. Azima be Fulani according to other people. Me, I don't know. Maybe Ukubi know whether it's Fulani. He should help us tell to them so that they will not kill us. They will not continue to kill our people and destroy their farm again. Because it's the outbreak that we are looking on to have feeding and all those things now. And at the same time, they are destroying the farm. Where are we heading to? If people that are not working, farming to live, to succeed, to live with their family, they are destroying the farm. If you look at the other state, the other day, the women were crying, and it's possible some of them are widows, and they are destroying the farm. The president should help us talk to them with the language they will understand. Or if he want to create a state for them, let him create a state for them.
Madam
let them
Divine,
leave the
thank you very much for this your important contribution. But it go good make we emphasize say if we talk about the safety and security of everybody when they inside Obodo Nigeria, now our business, we go dey demand say our Oga Presido and government must do what they're supposed to ensure say Nigerians dey very very safe. If the Inspector General of Police talk say plenty of them no come from Nigeria, we must ensure say we no go allow people to come dey do maybe business for inside this country where our country people know they safe and our country people they no go feel live in peace. We get Oga Yinka in the call us all the way from Ikorodu. Yinka, good morning and welcome to Asi the Hot.
Yeah, good morning.
Good morning, Yinka.
They greet you now.
Would they greet you too?
What I just want to know is that how many people get national ID card for this Nigeria? Because even when they want to do national ID card, some people go say, can't do partial registration here. Go do the main one from one side. Is that the way it's supposed to be? Even the people of this country, we don't know how many will be for this country. They will just say in Lagos about we have about 20 million plus.
Over 150
you don't
million.
even know the exact number. So if other people are coming into this country, how will you know? When you don't know how many citizens you have, even the population census, are they doing it the way they're supposed to do it? Some people, when they get to a place that people are living at the other side of the river, they will just give them number and say so people are living at that side. They will not be able to reach there. Because they don't want to put their life in danger. So that's why you see that people can come into the nation, even without knowing whether they are Nigerians or not. Even some of them can speak Yoruba very well because they are close to Nigerians. So you can't know whether they are citizens of this nation or not. That's why Boko Haram can operate very well. Because you don't know who is Boko Haram or not.
Okay, Yinka, thank you very much for this important
very hard.
areas when you say you don't identify. You don't already talk and clearly say even we when we inside Obodo Nigeria, we supposed to know our exact figure. Number, and you talk about the national ID card. If the national ID card now something when we say every Nigerian supposed get, and one way of identifying who be really Nigerian, then it's very, very important. Make we check all of these. These ones now to address the issue from the fundamentals or basics. No, we just say we just want fence border or one put gate for there. Oga Lozier, they call us all the way from Enugu State. Oga Lozier, good morning and welcome to As It Hot.
Lozier, good morning.
Oga Lozier, you did there? Oga Lozier, you did there? It be like say the network no gree. Oga Lozier making contribution. Oga Lozier, abeg try call us back so that the full Nigeria go hear what you get to talk about this our Lekki border inside Obodo Nigeria.
Yinka just stated something wey be say it dey very very significant. It's very 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 important, and the issue of national ID card. We don't for this country we don't carry out an exercise. Say, okay, we won't get national ID card like in two cases. Okay, then in the end, the question what I usually ask myself, and if we don't conduct all these things, how effective this ID card they can't be to the citizen? You understand? How where it will be very very useful to you? Because I never see cases whether they use them. Say okay, or probably the question people say okay, where are you from? Let me see your ID card to ensure say you be true Nigerian. But before we go further on that, we got Oga Matthew. Oga Matthew, they call us from Calabar. Good morning, Oga Matthew. Good morning.
Abeg, Ukubi, please, Abeg. I know I want to add this thing before I go contribute something because something when I hear, when I know me very well, say I like to go straight to the point.
Okay.
Two of you will be my brother. Me, I am from South.
Okay.
Two of you be my brother. I believe say two of you from Southeast, right?
Yes.
Okay. You people are my brother. First and foremost, that woman will call about the Malu something. I beg. I hope say that this thing will go well. That this thing will go well with those people. I beg. And number two, Chuku the Arsenal sit down there so now. If they don't pay on well, there are some job at times when I no go carry, when I no go want to do well.
No motivation.
Yes. Now I want to calmly because everything they bless me for this country. Now those customs where they to all of our security people. I have been to 10 countries and I know how those countries they do things. You understand? And I can pay their security people where nobody will collect bribe, never. Now those people, those our security agencies, if they are paying them good salary from the beginning, if you tell them to sacrifice their life, they will want to sacrifice it for Christ. Let us go straight to the point. This is the point. I told President Jonathan that time when he opened his Facebook, I said that he have to pay the security. None of our family that are doing all those things. They are not security people. They are not police. They are not army. But me, I like to go straight to the point. You have to pay these people good salary that they will sacrifice themselves. We watch film. We see how people do in America. They are willing to die.
Very true. Oga Matthew, thank you very much for this your important point when we say you don't identify. You don't already talk and say about payment of salaries. Maybe we ensure say they pay them well.
The government is to take care of their children.
Okay.
The government is to take care of their family. Let them pay these people good money and let them stop those people that are manipulating our money. Let them pay these people good money and see whether our security people will not do good things.
Oga Matthew, thank you very much. We don't get your important point. You don't talk and say the money when we say that they pay our security people, it go there good make them pay them well. But it go good make we also point them out, say, like Nkubi talked earlier, the fact say, you know, they collect money well. Even though we know saying a very major problem, no be still excuse for you to come talk say this 100 naira, or in the case of the example when Oga okay give, this 2,000 naira when we say you go collect, now you go make you allow person enter inside this country. You don't know what the person come want do. Take for example, as they talk say this, many of these Fulani headsmen, they no be from Nigeria. Many of them go feel say okay, anything will happen for this place, no be their country. Make them do anything when they don't do, like what Madam Divine talk. So it go there very, very important. Say as we tell our government, they make them ensure say them pay our security people well, and make them also know say not be that small 2,000 or 100 naira when they will collect. Now go make sure say this life go sweet for them well. We get Tunde, they call us all the way from Ikorodu. Oga Tunde, good morning and welcome to As the Hot.
Good morning,
Good morning, Tunde.
Tunde, would they greet you?
Yeah, and my brother Uncle B.
Good morning.
Defender of the masses waiting for Ikorodu. I hear you now.
We hear you too.
Yeah. So this matter we talk about, one, our porous border. Number two, this Fulani herdsmen. I grew up for North, for Kano.
Okay.
Spent about 3 years for Bomosho. Way back 1991-92, the issue of Fulani herdsmen, were they young? I know as they enter people's farms for Bomosho, Ilori area.
Way back then, Abi.
Fulani headman, yes.
Way back then.
Way back then, up till now. Now, and I know as in the day, police people were supposed to tackle the issue. They will give them money, bribe them. They will chop clean mouth. Now the same Fulani headman, they now talk today, say most of them not be Nigerians. These people then study bush, past even some of our military guys. They go migrate from north to south every year, migrating like that. The same people when they say back then now cutlass that they use. Then they use one, now they use cutlass. Now they carry gun. And when they say Boko Haram, no day. These guys, they know Boko Haram guys. As they do their exchange, that they know. How Fulani man, he go upgrade now. That's why they carry cutlass. See Boko Haram guys, he don't get any quarter with them. Give us cow, we give you gun, upgrade yourself. Now, our borders, they leak. Our government is not serious at all. Our government is not serious. They have to push off left, right, and center.
Oga Tunde, thank you for this point when you say you don't identify. You even take us go back to the time when we say several years ago, and we see they grapple with those problems still today. So it means say, like say the solution we're supposed to do them, we not do them now. But on top of us, the hot, we go talk them so that government go do the right thing. Oga Tony, they call us all the way from Abuja. Oga Tony, welcome to As the Hot.
Tony, good morning.
Good morning.
I beg, Tony, bring down the volume of your television, I beg.
Okay. Good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah, I want to contribute about what they talk about the borders.
Would they hear?
The problem with Nigeria is that this country will never be good until we restructure. From north to south, you have one problem. Corruption. There is no way, forget this one where they say custom people catch container, catch arms for inside container. As me and you, they talk, more than tens of feet, they happen right now. They are collecting money and the thing they move, they pass. Go to our borders, you have NDLA, you have DSS, you have custom, you have immigration, you have police, you have everybody, security. All they are looking for now money. If you they pass now, so their eye they open, they find everything they will collect for your hand. If we don't restructure, this one way Buhari they say they fight corruption, you know, go fit stop.
So Oga Tony, if you talk about restructuring, What do you think say we supposed to do in this regard of say
the resource of what we go talk, we say make we do the right thing.
Okay.
If you give the people the power, and they know that this thing is their power, they have to, they have to correct the way their lives be. They go change things.
Oga Tony, thank you very much for this important point where you identify. From what you talk, it's very, very glaring. Say, not be until government come they force us to do what they right. If we understand, say, if we do this thing this way, our own little way, we go help government when we want to do the good thing so that everybody go feel benefit from them. We get Gandhi in the call us all the way from Port Harcourt. Oga Gandhi, good morning and welcome to Ask the Heart.
Gandhi, good morning. Gandhi, I beg, if you did there, I beg, bring down the volume of your television, I beg.
We always talk and say anybody when want contribute on top of Ask the Heart, make them they reduce the volume of their television. Or if you want make your compound people hear you, I beg, come out for there.
Even
so that people hear you, make everybody
put that for loudspeaker. If you put that for loudspeaker for your phone, person they go hear you.
Make them no put that for loudspeaker. Make them come out for there. Make we feel hear. More we know they get interference. Oga Tunde don't identify one very, very important thing. At this point when we say Oga Tunde identify, and as something when we say we suppose fit address. Now, like I talked earlier, if we address issues from say, okay, it don't happen, make we solve them, and we not go back to the very, very start. Now, there wahala day. He talk about so many years ago where we say this particular issue start and nothing happen about them. We get. Okay, yes. But now, if we want to address this particular issue, we suppose look, say, okay, some of these people don't enter, they don't there for a very, very long time, and they don't even sabi our language. What we go do to use the short, say, we feel identify, say this person is Nigerian, and say this person no come in this country, can't do bad thing. Quickly, we go rush, enter inside this small break. When we go this break, come back, and from there we will enter the final bus stop on top of Ask the Heart, no go anywhere. Now still Wazobia Max and Wazobia TV. Welcome back to Ask the Heart. From here where we stand, so now the final bus stop on top of today's program, now we see. So we carry topic where come up plenty smoke. Liki border, Nigerian Customs Service for inside Lagos, there sees 40-foot container where we say 2 motor there inside, and inside these 2 motor, they hide weapons them. People go and they ask, say, this container when come from US, who be the person when carry the container come? As he enter Nigeria, who be the person when go collect this container? People talk, say, poor man power, no reach to carry container put for high sea. Say we suppose they check all these things to use the bad people when they inside Obodo, Nigeria. And we don't they try they use military tactics to solve this particular problem, and I don't a prefer solution.
Chukudi, please, thank you very much. You said enough, and Nigerians don't here reach that level. Talk say yes, we could do something, but just where you talk reach, you don't do you. Make go talk Messian with you.
Which one be Messian? What do you mean by Messian?
No, Messian because once you don't enter once you don't enter military something, it's called they take yourself. They give an example now. Messian the Messian.
I take Messian. I don't say military tactics.
See, as long as you don't enter military tactics. Talk them on a general platform.
Which general
Make
platform?
Make references to our militaries. But don't take them because they attach to yourself, say your own military background.
I don't get military. I get military background now. I have military background.
I'm looking at you, I won't be surprised if your papa maybe when he don't do hunting, he don't give you those kind of hunting experience. Now that thing they confuse you, they make you feel say
See as you just use your own personal story, give yourself example for
no.
Everybody here.
You don't do you get color.
We get Akpabio all the way from Akwa Ibom. You don't know the Akpabio. Respect yourself. Okay, Akpabio, welcome to Ask the Heart.
Good morning.
Good morning, Oga Akpabio.
How you not there now?
We dey.
Una dey like quarrel. Wetin dey happen?
Now you always dey find trouble.
Ask him.
Now you always dey find trouble.
Enough, but he no go want respect himself. If he call the intimidate.
Allow him to talk now. Now you give him. Now you buy credit for him.
Okay, leave my Ngubi alone.
Thank you very much.
Okay, please. What thing they be say for this thing? They say in Nigeria, I think say there is no way where person should stop corruption because this thing no be for only one place.
Okay.
If the president talks say he wants to stop corruption, what about people at the border? Like the last caller we're talking. You get to the border, you see waiting there happen.
Yes.
Okay, like I have a friend will be civil defense or will be immigration rather. As then say I'm go Borono, person where one pass from the border to Nigeria, then go collect that money say waiting there. So but the corruption where the president talk and no reach that side. The corruption where you talk now for targeted people where you want bring down. I don't think fighting corruption no be bad thing. I like it. But if you want fight and be sincere and have a good reason to fight corruption.
But then, Fabio, I will not say corruption don't be constant way, so it don't be constant way don't eat deep into us. But even as we Nigerians, we suppose even ask ourselves questions. Sure, you don't say as a Nigerian, you know say this thing they bad. But yet you go on collect something, you go on collect money from that, collect bribe from that thing to ensure that way they bad, say he move on. Sure, not to say ordinary rules, supposed to tell ourselves some element of truth, say no, make us not support this bad thing. But the president no go can't do everything for us. Who's supposed to talk to ourselves? Okay, Kwame, see there.
They hear you.
So, as individuals, say not to say they're appropriate for us to talk to ourselves. We don't make another expect the government may they do everything for us.
I understand, but how far where we go fit do this thing, maybe something.
Anyway, thank you very much, Oga Akpabio, for that contribution. You don't talk and say, look, the corruption will they stay with the fight. The fact that Oga Muhammad Buhari they fight corruption, making sure say he do it, he go around. Even the populists, make not just the target people where they at the top affairs. Say make it bring them down to the lower class, to the ordinary Nigerians, so that at least we go fit do it, we go fit address them properly. We get Bajama, they call us from Lekki. Good morning, Bajama.
Good morning, Oga Chukudi.
Good morning.
The problem that we are getting for this our country, what I'm observing is this about bribing people in the border. I remember the time that I want to enter Cameroon. I saw some sportsmen in the road. They say I should give them 1,000 before I enter Cameroon. I say, why? They say I should not come out from my country entering Cameroon. But I say I want to go and see a friend there. They say that is not done like that. I should drop something. I give them 1,000. When I'm coming back, I still give them 1,000. I don't know what is going on in this house.
But you present your ID card. That is you should be get card where protect like your ECOWAS card where ensure say you feel step into all these countries.
They don't care about the card. Hello?
We hear you.
They say they don't care about the card. I say, okay, if that's the case, I just left and leave them there. I think the most important thing in this our country is corruption. We have to fight corruption in our country.
Oga Bajama, thank you very much for this point where you raised. Just like what you and Oga Goswin, Oga Akpabio, sorry, don't talk. Now say it is very, very important. Say when we even talk about corruption, not be just about say people chop money. Some kind of bad behavior when go put us at risk or even go put our country for insecurity situation. Say follow they cause this corruption. We get Oga Edward all the way from Ikoyi. Oga Edward, good morning and welcome to Asi the Hot.
Good morning, Mr. Chukudi.
I greet you, Oga Edward.
Okay, thank you so much for taking my call.
You're welcome.
You know, the main problem we get for this country is corruption. Corruption don't kill this country to the extent where we say every system, every street of Nigeria is full of corruption. Okay, let me tell you now. You see, these our custom officers waiting for border. Hello?
We hear you, continue.
Edward, continue.
Customs officers waiting for border. You know, before, now chicken, all this frozen food, now they disease, and it don't say where weapons don't they enter this country. Those weapons where they enter this country, where then they follow, where they follow past, look at our borders.
That's true.
Our border. Waiting customs they do for border, they say if you carry something, what they say you know, grace to you go, you will get arrested. That is corruption. You will get arrested. When they arrest you, now you then go show for TV, say, they don't arrest somebody to show say that they work. They are doing nothing.
Okay, Edward, thank you very, very much. You don't talk and say we need more action rather than just say to the show, make it be like say we dey work. If then they work, we go really see the work. To top up all our callers for today's program, we will collect this call from Oga Matthew all the way from Calabar. Oga Matthew, welcome back again to Ask Ide Hot.
Abeg, Chukudi and Ukubi. Abeg, you see, my contribution at time when I put, if somebody know they listening very well, no go understand my point.
Okay.
No be say I say make those people they collect money, those small things. It don't make any sense. But now, as you did so now, if you chop food by the food and you go outside, you see somebody who go hungry you.
No.
He no go hungry you. You understand me now? So now what I mean be that. And two, at times I hear some people they talk about Buhari, say Buhari fight this one, do that one. Buhari is trying. People should just stop. Okay, now if you have something like that, you have to pass it. And then they pass it to Buhari. I like what you say, Ukubi. That it is not everything that president will do.
Will do for us,
it is not everything. We individuals we have to put something straight. Buhari just came. He just came. Buhari came in 1983 December to 31st to repair this country, but overthrew him. What are other people that have been ruling do? They have not done anything. You understand me now? This man is coming. This man have tried. The people that don't have the understanding about the man, they should go and sleep. I am from South. I am from Calabar. But that man is an Hausa man. I respect him to the core because I know about his personality and his integrity. So we should be very, very wise here. Buhari has tried for us. Those people that are condemning, they should go and sleep.
Oga Matthew, thank you very much for this important contribution. We don't use this one. Close all the calls we will collect today. All our people went call us on top of the program to contribute as it take concern the Likiliki border when they Nigeria. We appreciate una and we will leave una with this particular important statement. Nigeria belongs to all of us. If our country is safe, all of us go sleep for night with our two eyes closed. If we talk, say we dey protect our own self, what about our friends? What about our loved ones? What about our family members? You know, go talk say, so long as say you and your family members, them they safe, anything will happen to anybody, we must continue to dey talk and they demand more from our government because they represent us. 170 plus million strong voices go allow the people in the government to do wetin dey right. Until we come back again tomorrow with another topic where they come up plenty smoke. We thank una say una dey watch. We thank una say una dey call. Una bye bye. This na as e dey hot.
If you just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.